So, I'm gonna go this way this time. I'm not going to the peak. I don't know. There's a road back here. Yeah, this leads up to the cave too, but I'm not going there either. There's a road that goes down, so I'm thinking it leads back over, into Cumberland Gap. So, let's see. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at these colors. Can you hear it? That is chipmunks or ground squirrels playing. Oh, there's one right there. There's Cyril the squirrel. Wow, look at those colors. That is so neat. It's a beautiful time to be out in the woods right now. There's another. Well, that's Cyril the squirrel again, looking for stuff on the ground. And right here you can tell that this is where the road was because of the way there's not many trees on the side here, and it's just like grassy area on the side. This was so wonderful what they did with this. It's awesome. And there is Cyril again. Yep, he's got his back turned to me. Oh, there he is. Hey, Cyril. I thought that I had not been this way before, but I think I have. I'm pretty sure I have, because I remember filming this. I should have looked at that sign again back there. Where am I going? What is this? Because up there is the cave. So this down here is something else. I think, didn't it say that I was going back toward Cumberland Gap? So, okay. We'll see. Now, it's been a while since I've been here, but if I remember correctly, I think this is the way up to the pinnacle, and I do not want to go to the pinnacle today. Too late, and yeah, I've already wasted a lot of time in this day, so we will see. I think that's where this is headed. Okay, so there's a sign. Up there's the cave. I hadn't come as far as I thought I had. Up there's the cave, and this is Wilderness Road Trail. So let's go on this one for a little bit, because I've never been. Ooh, pretty. So I've never been on this trail, I don't think. We'll see. Oh my gosh, this is downhill. I'm gonna dread this on the way back up, because it's gonna be all uphill. Oh, wait. That's okay. another hill that I'm gonna have to climb back up. Oh, okay. Okay, so here's the answer. No, I have never been this way. Because I would have remembered this. Okay. And there are still flowers growing here. Wow. I do hate that I do not have time to walk all of this. I would love to. But it's starting to get late. And I have to get home. And take me some Tylenol arthritis. So that way I'll be able to move out of bed in the morning. And it starts going down from here. It goes all the way down that way. Yeah, so I think I'm going to turn back for now. But we will do this. We will walk this. And there is Cyril again. They did such a great job with that bridge. That's so pretty. And there's all kinds of milkweed. Good for butterflies. Yeah, I'm not crossing here. I'm going back. Well, I might just cross here. I might get on these rocks and cross. Yes, I'm crossing on the rocks. Okay. Ooh, that one's a little wobbly. Okay. We did it. Look at those flowers. Right here in October. Walking back, the song that's been stuck in my head is Taylor Swift, Out of the Woods. Yeah. But we're almost to the entrance. Here we are, out of the woods. Okay, guys, see you later. Thanks.